It's Mana from Mana Eats. It's me. It's me. So you all loved my last video, which I'm really excited about. So I thought I'd better just keep cooking. Also, I need to cook my dinner. So I thought, why not? Okay, so Corona, COVID, like some of these, it's really effing everything up. I don't know. I'm feeling really shit today, but whatever. We just keep going. We just keep going. Okay, so I have got roast lamb, sweet potato chips, and like a mishmash of leftovers. I've got like cauliflower rice, which when I bought it, that's all they had in the shops. So if you want to make this yourself, you literally just get the cauliflower head and blitz it. Okay, cauliflower rice, I'm going to put in some corn kernels. Don't judge me, frozen corn. I mean, frozen corn's amazing. And frozen peas. Chuck those back in the freezer. Okay. That, and then some butter. I don't know, about that much. And then some salt. Add some salt later. And that's it. Stick it on the stove top. I should show you what it looks like. Look. Oh my god. Okay. Stick it on the stove top with a lid for I don't know, for however long it takes to do this. I do know. I don't know. I'm only the cook. Don't ask me. I don't know, probably about, say, 15, 20 minutes. It probably actually needs a little bit of water, so I'm going to add that in there. Just like a couple of tablespoons, not too much because you don't want it watery, right? Okay, next thing we're going to do is, oh, that was loud, sweet potato chips, sweet potatoes, and I'm just cutting the ends off, and I'm going to just like rough peel it. Oh my god, where's my peeler? Just like, I'm just going to kind of, if it wants to work, it's not all the skin, but some of the skin. Just leave some of it on. Or you can leave all the skin on. God, whatever you want. I'm in that mood today. I don't want to bring you like really fluffy cooking videos. You know, I want to bring you some real shit because that's life. I mean, I'm starving right now, like starving, because, oh, I don't even know what I've been doing. What I've been doing all day with this bloody COVID crap. I've been applying for jobs. Oh my God. It's like a whole new world out there. Okay, let's not chop my finger off, hey? So chips. You're gonna cut your sweet potato in half. And then you're going to cut it into slices. Can you see that? Okay. And then you're going to cut it into chips. Oh my God, this is like not rocket science. So then chips. Okay, in the pan. In they go. Very simple. I've already got the oven preheating. 200. It's going to go in there for 180 for about 20 minutes or so, 25, probably more. But my oven is like hectic. Okay, this is the bit of cooking where I get a bit impatient, okay, because I'm human too. This isn't just like, you know, I'm immune to wanting food that's quick or wanting just stuff that's easy to cook. Like, I'm the same. Anyway, so I've gotten over trying to be all perfect about the chips, and I've just gone for little chunks. So that's what I'm doing now. And I'm going to chuck it all in there. And then I'm going to get olive oil. Loads of olive oil all over. And then a bit of salt. And then it goes in the oven. Salt. My salt is hectic. It's like crazy. Okay. Now, because I don't want to, here comes the gloves. Because I don't want to like get all oily fingers and then have to like wash and all this stuff. And because I'm on video and I'm trying to make a really quick cooking video, I'm just going to use a glove to mix it all up and get that all coated. Please don't use a bowl and then mix it and then like just do it in the same tray. I mean, you can use a bowl, but whatever. Everyone's always complaining about how many dishes they're going to do. So just go an easy route, mix it on the tray so you don't mess up another dish. Okay, in the oven, down to 180, and I'm going to put the timer on. And let's go, whatever that is, 27 minutes. Okay, so lamb. I might actually not do the broccoli. I was going to just do like just steamed broccoli, but it I just might not get to it because I think there's enough going on. Okay, might just have some salad with it. Okay, so I'm just making a little onion trivet. So basically for the lamb to sit on, and I've got a rack of lamb. Trying really hard not to cut my fingers today. I'm in that mode where I'm sort of concentrating, but I'm sort of not. Oh my God, random sweet potato. So I just chuck that in. Okay, now a lammy. Here he is. Look. Again, this is the only lamb rack that I could buy because that's all that was available during this corona crap. So that's what happened. Let me get a tray. I feel like I'm only going to need like a small tray because it's only a small lamb rack. I'm going to line it with Glad wrap. Glad baking paper. Put the oven, wow, we are on a roll. Put the onions in. Okay. Lamb. Right. Lamb out of the packet. Oh my God, this packet is so hard. Scissors. Okay, and then the other thing we're going to do is we're going to sear off, oh, they're two bits, not one bit. It's a bit deceiving. Oh, I'm offended. Okay. The other thing we're going to do is put on the, God help me if my little fire smoke alarm goes off while I'm doing this. We're going to sear the lamb, so a bit of that fat to get it going. Actually, I'm going to take a little bit off because it's quite thick. I need I want a bit of a small knife. How thick is it? Okay, I'm actually going to do one, you know what, just for experience sake, I'm going to do one without this bit of fat, and I'm going to do one with it and see what the result is. Probably like cook that up and use it. Okay, I was going to French it for you because, you know, all the skills, but I'm not. Okay, so I'm going to just sear that lamb. other lamb, actually I am going to see that as well. Just for a bit of colour, not too much. And then we're going to add a bit of breadcrumb and parsley mixture to it. So parsley, just chop that up. Hopefully I don't chop a finger while I'm on camera. Okay, parsley is chopped, and then goes in a bowl with a little bit of salt and breadcrumbs. I don't know, about that. Probably like half a cup. Oh, and I don't give you measurements that aren't right. You know these like recipes, it's like, oh, just a tablespoon of oil, and then you see them and it's like a cup of oil. I'm just checking on the lamb. I haven't got the fancy setup with the 2 cameras yet. You know, that's coming. Ooh. Okay, lamb is good, so I'm going to get it on this pan. Okay, lamb, bit of colour on there. Okay, and then I am also, I was like, oh, that smells good. That smells good. Salt Mr. Lamb, because lamb that isn't salted is disgusting. Okay, lamb, and then we're going to mix up the breadcrumbs. Mix up breadcrumbs. Okay, perfect. And you're probably thinking, what am I going to put on the lamb to make the breadcrumbs stick to it? Let me show you. Dijon mustard. So Dijon mustard on the lamb. Put as much as you want. I'm going to actually put the mixture like right up the bone part as well, not just on the flesh. You see that? I'm going to show you. Show you close up. Okay. See that? And then mixture, breadcrumb mixture goes on top. And whatever falls off, and whatever sticks on there, sticks on there. Just press it down a bit. It'd probably be better if it was like a panko breadcrumb, because then it's like a bit more, like the breadcrumb is bigger, so it's going to have a bit more texture. But whatever, we're using what we got. And then I'm going to do just a bit of black pepper, but we can add that at the end. And that's it. That's it. I'm going to push these on the onions a bit more. Oh my god, delicious, delicious. You see that? Oh yeah. Okay, in the oven. Literally, I reckon my little smoke alarm's gonna go off any minute now. This oven is so hectic. I'm gonna turn this right down because it's just going crazy. Okay, that's it. The cauliflower, peas, corn is on the stovetop. The lamb, probably like 160, because I've had to turn it down. My oven is that crazy. So I would say probably like 170 maybe for you at home. I don't know. You know your oven. I don't. 170 for about maybe 20, 25 minutes. You're just going to have to check it. That's all I got for you. Mwah!